It's a 2009 Lexus RX 350. This RX 350 is sophistication sharpened and luxury transformed. The untamed elegance will take you away. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, AM/FM satellite prep radio, power liftgate, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, key fob activated rear windows, manual tilting steering column, and V6 engine. Of the RX 350, Edmunds.com highlights its high-grade cabin furnishings, luxury sedan ride, user-friendly high-tech features, rock-solid reliability history, and excellent dealer service. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today. Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.